Hello everyone. I'm going to just talk a little bit about a web scraping project that I did using some COVID-19 data. Okay, here are a few tools that I used, which is Python programming language, Beautiful Soup to retrieve and parse the data from the website, Pandas as a data frame and statistical analysis tool, SQLite 3 to create and store my database, do some basic queries, Matplotlib to chart and build my graphs, and I also use Google Colab as my notebook environment. Here's my web scraping process code. Basically what I did here was create a function that will retrieve that data. Okay, the next step was to save the data as a CSV file, which I did here. Here you can see where I created the database and the tables. Here on this slide, I show some code where I cleaned my data and updated my tables. Later on in the PowerPoint, I also have an area in my results where you can see how clean the results came out. And basically gave me the preview is if I was looking at it in the database, and that's what I wanted. Here's another block of the code where I stored the database to a CSV file. And basically, that would be if I'm working on the data team with someone and we just needed to share those files really quickly. You can pull those up. Maybe there need to be some integration or some updates with the database. So it's just a nice way to store data, have a backup, and be able to, continue work if need be while some infrastructure may be getting updated. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the sample of results. You can see that in my results area, this is what came up, and everything is easy to read, super neat, and it's just like I have a database right in front of me, and that's what I wanted. And here's the continue page. So the page just before this was the COVID data table, and this is the updated COVID data table. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier as well that I like to double check my work just to make sure that things are being saved where it need to be, and this is what I did right here. I just checked my databases just to make sure that they was correct, and that's what I have. You can see that in the databases there are two tables, one COVID data and the other is updated COVID data, and here are those two tables. And here are my findings. This chart comes from the updated COVID data table, and as you can see that this information will be valuable if we were just monitoring this ongoing and we just wanted to see the progress that we made. You can see the active cases are very, very, very low, and the new and recovered are extremely high. So it just shows a tremendous impact, and the active cases that they're very low. So whatever was implemented to get those numbers to be extremely low is working. And this data shows that by each continent, not just by country, but by each continent. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, just kind of going over the project that I work on, going over the COVID data. It was a really great project, really fun project, learned a lot. So thank you.